Come test drive the 2017 Journey. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, luggage rack, intermittent wipers, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find backup camera, auxiliary audio input, push-button start, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, adjustable headrests, auto express down window, power driver's seat. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.